Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Vietnamese rice regains its place as the most expensive rice in the world.
Latest technology in the packaging industry.
Process of white rice selection.
Infectious bronchitis control, protection and prevention.
Russian poultry industry's profitability dives into the red.
World market prices of edible oil in the last 3 months.
Market analysis, egg shortages and prices in Europe and the US.
Increased mycotoxin levels.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.